Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must act now. Check the Gcash app version and your phone OS because compatibility matters. Once done, verify storage and battery level so the update won't fail mid-install. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile signal. Switching networks later depends on this baseline. Close background apps to free RAM and backup essential info so you can restore settings if anything changes. This prevents simple interruptions and speeds the next steps. You now perform the update. Open your App Store, locate Gcash and tap Update or, if unavailable, reinstall. If the download stalls, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset network stacks. This clears transient DNS or routing issues. Once updated, force close Gcash and reopen test connectivity. If problems persist, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Because different networks route differently and one may reach Gcash servers, you finish by logging in and confirming your balance and recent transactions. This verifies the update didn't corrupt data. If you see errors, clear app cache, then uninstall and reinstall Gcash. Reboot your device between each step to ensure a clean state. If problems continue, try a different network or mobile hotspot to determine whether the issue is your ISP, router, or the app itself. This isolation method narrows causes quickly, so you can escalate with accurate details if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.